In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an HTML button that behaves just like a hyperlink. This is useful when you want the look and feel of a button, but need it to perform a simple link navigation, just like an anchor tag would. Let's look at 3 common approaches. The first method uses a regular HTML button element with JavaScript. We attach an onclick handler that sets the window location to a new URL. When we click the button, it redirects us to the target page. The second method is nearly identical, but instead of using a button, we use an input type equals button. This gives you similar behavior and works great in older HTML layouts. The third and arguably cleanest approach uses a regular tag styled with CSS to look like a button. This is semantically correct, accessible, and does not require JavaScript. It's also the most future-proof solution. In all cases, the result is the same: a button that takes the user to a new page when clicked. Each method has its use depending on your needs. Use the A tag when you're just navigating. Use JavaScript-powered buttons when you need to do more logic before the redirect. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more web development tips and practical code walkthroughs.